The View, co-host Meghan McCain SAID the various scandal engulfing President Donald Trump were too confusing to understand, but she got promptly corrected by Joy Behar. Panelists discussed Trump's tweet Monday morning claiming an absolute right to pardon himself and questioning the constitutionality of the special counsel probe, and McCain admitted the situation was too complicated to care about. I think there is just this cacophony of information, and it's hard for even me to follow, which I'm open and frank about on this show, McCain SAID. I think people are just, like, well, you know, if somebody happens, maybe, she said the scandal had only drawn Republicans closer to Trump, who enjoys near universal support within his own party. But 87% on party support, that's almost a statistical anomaly, and going forward it's hard for me to even imagine we are the party of Trump completely, McCain said. It's hard for me to imagine what an election look like still defending this when most majority of voters are co-host Behar cut in and asked what was so hard to understand about some of Trump's defining scandal. What is so hard to follow about, grab them by the genitalia, Behar asked. Why is it hard to follow the insult against your father? Why is it so hard to follow the fact that attacked Gold Star families, host Whoopi Goldberg said Republicans backed Trump because they believe they're winning, and McCain excused Trump's legal claims as too crazy to be true. With the investigation and, like, I could possibly pardon myself, McCain said. Again, what crime are you talking about? We're, like, collusion is not a crime. What exactly are you talking about? I think, Rudy Giuliani to a point, I don't think he's a great surrogate, but we were talking about it this morning. You guys do because he's sort of like shifting the blame in this way where nobody's really understanding what's going on. Co-host Sarah N told McCain she should be more concerned about what Trump and Giuliani were saying. I think US had the idea of shooting James Comey, if Trump were to shoot Comey, and that's the language of a dictator, sorry, NSAID. SAID, Giuliani SAID, could even shoot James Comey in the Oval Office and did still not be prosecuted.